you have blackberries growing in your garden that you don't know what to do with? Well, I have. I've got some growing wild in the back of my garden, and I harvested them 3 times. And this is my third attempt at Blackberry and Lemon Fool, and it's really nice. So I've just done a little tutorial for you. How to Blackberry Fool. So I've had problems in the past. I used to do overnight oats using blackberries I picked from the garden, until one time when I was at work looking forward to my overnight oats, I found a grub crawling on my desk, and it was because I obviously hadn't washed the berries properly. So I make sure I give them a good rinse now in the colander, and then I also, for good measure, add some apple cider vinegar. An extra rinse. I'll put those in the fridge until I'm ready to start cooking with them. To make a blackberry and lemon fool of blackberries plus extra for the topping. So there's my 200 grams of blackberries. Put the thing. I put it on, got an Indeset hob here, so I put it on 5. Doesn't say sugar. Oops. So there's the juice with a juicer. I know the chefs often do it through their hands, but I prefer using an old-fashioned juicer. So this is what it looks like after I've been doing it for an hour or so. I didn't time it, I think it might be more of an hour and a half. So you then put it into the fridge to chill for a few hours. So as it's late afternoon now, I'm probably just going to leave it for overnight and do it tomorrow now. Anyway, speak to you soon, bye. Okay, forgot to hit record. So what I've done is 250 millilitres of double cream, which is basically a tub of 270 millilitre Elmley, or double cream in this case, and 1 tablespoon of icing sugar, and you whip it. So I wasn't sure what the difference between whip and beat meant. So whip means you whip it until it's a thick consistency, and you whip it for a lot longer, so like a few minutes, whereas to beat something you just do it for a few seconds. So the next step is to swirl most of the blackberry sauce in.